on YouTube, fellow pyros? Back again with some more specials, some more sales we got going on all month long. We're going to check out some 200 grams. Let's start off with Pyro Demon, Evilicious, Blazing Pyro, and High Energy. All 16 shots on sale for $9 each. Also, the Bada Boom, Want It, Wise Guy, Silencer, Butcher, The Contract, and Goodfella, also $9 each. So this is what we have left. So while supplies last, come scoop them up. Some nice hard-hitting, colorful, nice effect 200 gram cakes. Only $9 each. We're almost out. Then let's go up here, and we have Recluse by Dominator, 2-inch finale, on sale for the low price of $23. Sexy Rider by World Class, on sale for $22. 9 huge breaks. New for 2017, Toxic. Very bright colors in this one. On sale for $21. Supernatural. New for 2017, on sale for $21. We have Magicology, all crackle cake, on sale for the low price of $10. You like crackle? That's for you. This is all we have left, one of each. What's up there is all we have. Medalist, low price, $15 for Medalist, 30 shots. We have one that Jack left, on sale for $9. We have 3 6-packs of Diablo shells left. Those are on sale for $10 each 6-pack. Nice canister shells, 6 for $10. This is one of my favorite cakes of all time, Last Rites. Long duration cake, loud, nice effects, different effects on it. 30 shots. It has 2 different built-in finales, multiple shot finale, rapid fire finales in it. I love this cake. This is a $45 cake you'll find elsewhere. We have it on the low price of $24. Nice long duration cake. Come pick that one up. Got 2 left. There you go. That's it. Now let's check out some 500 grams. See what we have. Alright, we have one left. Hippie Chick. New zipper cake. 117 shots. This is one of my new favorites. These zipper cakes are sweet. Hippie Chick along with Willie's Choice. We sold out of that one. Awesome finale cakes. Best finale cakes around by far. We got this one on the low price of $56. There you go. Then we have this beast, Dance of Death, 125 shot, quick rapid fire. Nice, beautiful color effects in this one. This one also on sale for only $56 for finale cake. Come pick them up. 2 left. Let's see what we have over here. Here we go. Big 2-inch finales. Loud, lights out, 10 shot. Super 2-inch finales. We got this one's regular $60. We got it on Blowout sale for $35 for this big 2-inch finale, 10 shot. Huge breaks, loud. All right, then we have one left of another awesome new for 2017 3-inch 9 on a board super finale Jekyll and Hyde. I got a video I'll be putting up. I'll try to get it up probably tomorrow or the next day. This is a sweet 3-inch finale right here. We got it on the low sale blowout price of $55. One left, along with Right to Bear Arms, another huge loud 3-inch finale. One left, $55. Come and get them. All right, we'll move to, you're looking for a red, white, and blue cake? We got 2 of them. We have, first off, no replacements found. Nice 12 shot, nice bang to it, red, white, and blue cake. We got this one on sale for $16 while supplies last. Come pick it up, get your red, white, and blue on. Then compare it with this big red, white, and blue beast. Big 2-inch 12 shot American Strong. Nice. Big red, white, and blue breaks. American Strong on the low blowout sale price of $30. There you go. Huge breaks on this one. Loud, loud, loud. All right. Moving on. We have only a couple left. We actually have one Assassin Shell left, 6-pack. And we have 2 Demon Shell 6-packs. I don't know if you can see it with the glare. 2 Demon Shell 6-packs, 1 Assassin Shell 6-pack. On sale for $12 each. There you go. Just a quick vid of some blowout sales we got going on. More sales coming soon, all month long. Come check us out. Later.
1, 2, 1, 2, the place to be, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy MC Denny, and I'm representing to you the one and only Skinny.